my
goat cheese mixed in. Alright, it looks absolutely wonderful. Let this cool down, it's very hot. I burned my hand by taking it out. Ouch. Alright, it's looking fantastic. Alright, the flavor is rich, creamy. Goat cheese goes well. I didn't put anything spicy, but you could put jalapenos or serranos if you wanted to. And man, it's really good, mashallah. Has parsley instead of basil, just to be clear. Mashallah, the fresh dough is just perfect. You're gonna make homemade pizza. Making that dough right is essential. I use 00 flour.